how to enable or disable dictation on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, go to System Settings. Here in System Settings on left side, go to Keyboard. Here in Keyboard, okay, go to Dictation section. Here in Dictation, you can see the switch button on the right side. So the dictation is disabled. To enable this, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side and the pop-up are show. Okay, do you want to enable the dictation? Okay, you'll have to do is click the enable button to enable the dictation on MacBook Air. So if this enable, use dictation wherever you can type text to start dictating. Use the shortcut or select the start dictation from the edit menu. So dictation send information like your voice, input, contact, and location to Apple to process your request. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled. And if you want to disable again, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side and the pop-up are show. Okay, click the turn off button to turn off the dictation or disable. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled or disabled dictation on MacBook Air.